Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this equation. So we have x raised to power 4 minus 15x plus 14 is equal to 0. And here, or to solve for the value of x is equals question mark. To solve this, solution. Now we have x raised to power 4 minus 15x plus 14 is equal to 0. So with this, we are going to add plus 1 to both sides of the equation such that what we have is this x raised to power 4 minus 15x plus 14, then add plus 1. Okay, this is equal to 0. Also add plus 1, such that from here we have x raised to power 4 minus 15x plus 14 plus 1. This will give us plus 15. Also, move this plus 1 over to this side. Here we have minus 1 is equal to, this side becomes 0. So from here, let us rearrange this equation. So we have x raised to power 4 minus 1, then minus 15x plus 15 is equal to 0. So looking at this right here, we can write this 1 as 1 raised to power 2, okay, such that we have x raised to power, we can write this 4 power 4 as 2 all raised to power 2, right? Then minus 1 raised to power 2. Okay, so with this we have simplified this to resemble this. Okay, then we can factorize out 15 because it's a common factor right here. So factorize out minus 15. Okay, if we factorize out minus 15 from here, we are left with x, then minus 1. All of this equals 0. So looking at this, we have difference of 2 squared. If you have a squared minus b squared, this equals in brackets a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this equation becomes in brackets x squared plus 1, then multiplied by x squared minus 1. Then we have minus 15 into brackets x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here, we have in brackets x squared plus 1. Also, looking at x squared minus 1, we can write this 1 as 1 raised to power 2, 1 squared. You will still have 1, so that we now have difference of 2 squared. So, working with this format, that if you have difference of 2 squared, what you have is this, in brackets x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. Then we have minus 15 into bracket x minus 1, all is equal to 0. So from here, okay, we have x minus 1 as a common factor. So factorize out x minus 1 into bracket x minus 1. We are left with, in bracket, we are left with this. We have x squared plus 1, then multiplied by x plus 1, then we have minus 15. So all of this equals 0. Now, from here, we have in brackets x minus 1 multiplied by x squared will multiply x. We have x raised to power 3. X squared will multiply plus 1. We have plus x squared. 1 will multiply x plus x. 1 will multiply 1 plus 1. Then we have minus 15. All of this equals 0. So from here, we have in brackets x minus 1 multiplied by x raised to power 3 plus x squared, then plus x plus 1 minus 15 equals minus 14. All is equal to 0. Now, at this junction, we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So, for the first one, x minus 1 equals 0, or x raised to power 3 plus x squared plus x minus 14 equals 0. So now from this equation, the value of x is equal to 1. With this, we have gotten the first solution for x, which equals 1. Now, let us solve for the other values of x from this other equation. So we have x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 2 plus x. Now minus, we can express 14 as in brackets 8 plus 4 plus 2. This will give us 14 equals to 0. So at this junction, we have x raised to power 3 plus x squared plus x minus times 8 minus 8 minus times plus 4 minus 4 minus times plus 2 minus 2. This equals 0. So the next thing we're going to do is to group this together. We group x raised to power 3 and minus 8 together. We group x raised to power 2 and minus 4 together. And then the last one, we group x and minus 2 together. So for the first one, in which we have x raised to power 3, x raised to power 3, then minus 8. Okay, also plus we have the next one in brackets x raised to power 2, then we have minus 4. Then we have for the last one plus in brackets x minus 2. All of this equals 0. So from here, in brackets x raised to power 3 minus 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 plus in brackets x squared minus 4 can be written as 2 squared plus in brackets x minus 2. This equals to 0. Now at this junction, looking at this right here, we have difference of 2 cubed. So if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this equals in brackets a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. So expanding this with this format, what we have is this right here. We have in bracket x minus 2. Then from here, a squared, a is x. So this becomes in bracket x squared plus 2x plus b is 2, so 2 squared. Okay, then we also have this, so we have simplified this. Then we have x squared minus 2 squared. So this right here is simply difference of 2 squared. And if you have difference of 2 squared, if you have a squared minus b squared, this equals in bracket a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So expanding this, making use of this format, what we have is this. So right here, plus into bracket x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. Okay, so we have expanded this right here. Then it remains plus x minus 2 equals 0. So plus x minus 2, all of this equals to 0. So from here, we have in bracket x minus 2 multiplied by x squared, okay, plus 2x plus 2 squared is 4. Then we have plus into bracket x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. We can factorize out 1 from here. We have plus 1 into bracket x minus 2. All of this equals to 0. So at this junction, we have a common factor x minus 2, x minus 2, and x minus 2. So therefore, factorize out x minus 2. We have into bracket x minus 2. Then we are left with this and then plus 1. We're left with x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus we have x plus 2 then plus 1. All of this is equal to 0. So from here, we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So we have x minus 2 is equal to 0, or this equation, okay, that we have x squared. Now plus 2x plus x is simply plus 3x plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. That will give us plus 7. All of this is equal to 0. Now from this equation, this linear equation, we can solve for the value of x such that x is equal to 2. With this, we have gotten the second solution for the value of x. Okay, for the other solution for the value of x, from this equation in which we have x squared plus 3x plus 7 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation. So to solve this, we're going to make use of the quadratic formula, which is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the values of a is equal to the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. The value of b is the coefficient of x, which is plus 3, while the value of c is the constant, which is plus 7. And putting the values of a, b, c into the formula, we have the solution for x to equal minus b is 3, 3 plus or minus square root b squared, b is 3, so 3 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 7 all over 2 times a is 1. Okay, good. So from here, the value of x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 1 times 7, that is minus 28 over 2 times 1 is 2. So x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 28. That will give us minus 19 all over 2. So from here, the value of x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus, this can be written as root 19 times root minus 1 all over 2, such that with this, the solution for x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root minus 1 is I, then times root 19 all over 2. With this, we have the third solution for x to equal minus 3 plus I times root 19 all over 2. The fourth solution for x is equal to minus 3 minus I times root 19 all over 2. Now we have gotten the solutions for x. So we have 4 solutions for x. The second one is this, x2 equals to 2, while the first one is x1 is equal to 1. So we have this, that x2 is equal to 2 and x1 is equal to 1. So these are the 4 solutions for the values of x. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. Do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.